State lawmaker and Charleston area attorney appeared in federal court this morning for the first time since his indictment on fraud charges. News 2's Emma Charles in the U.S. District Courtroom for Marvin Pendarvis' arraignment hearing. Emma joins us now live in the studio. Tell us more about this hearing today. I know you tried to talk to Pendarvis. He wouldn't say anything.
That's right. He didn't say anything. And actually, the whole time he appeared very stoic in court, not showing a lot of emotion. And he entered a not guilty plea today. He was given a court-appointed attorney and a $50,000 bond. If convicted, Pendarvis faces a max penalty of 20 years for the wire fraud and money laundering charges. And for each count of aggravated identity theft, Pendarvis is looking at a mandatory 2-year term of imprisonment.
Certainly the facts of the indictment speak for themselves, and we look forward to the judicial process playing itself out as it relates to the charges against Mr. Pendarvis.
In early November, a grand jury indicted Pendarvis on 4 counts of wire fraud, 3 counts of aggravated identity theft, and 2 counts related to money laundering and an interstate commerce charge. Prosecutors allege that the attorney orchestrated a scheme to defraud his clients by negotiating and receiving monetary settlements without the client's knowledge or approval on at least 4 separate occasions. He is also accused of forging client signatures on the settlement release. Prosecutors today clarified the amount Pendarvis is alleged to have taken.
In the indictment, it's alleged right now about $532,000 from the clients that are part of the wire fraud scheme, and that's all we can comment on given the ongoing nature of the investigation.
Pendarvis was a Democratic representative for South Carolina's 113th House District, which includes Charleston County. He resigned in September 2024. 4 months after the South Carolina Supreme Court suspended his license to practice law amid a state-led malpractice investigation. In court today, the government did not seek a bond and deferred to the judge, citing Pendarvis' financial situation. He says he has no money to pay bond. Judge Molly Cherry set Pendarvis an unsecured bond at $50,000, which means he only has to pay if he violates conditions of the bond. And prosecutors said it may be some time before we see Pendarvis back in court.
After initial appearances, there generally is a little bit of time until the next proceeding. It often depends on how the process plays out, whether it's a trial or a guilty plea, and there may or may not be some pretrial conferences, but that just also depends on who the judge is.
And one of Pendarvis' alleged victims appeared in court today, but it was advised by their attorney not to speak to media on the record. We did try to speak to Pendarvis, as we said earlier, and his court-appointed attorney, but they did not respond to our requests. In studio, I'm Emma Charles. Count on 2.